Hello everyone, this is PLC Homeschool doing a refresher on types of sentences. We start to learn these in, I believe, 2nd grade all the way up to 6th grade. So we need to know all of this information up to 6th grade. It starts in 2nd grade. Simple statement type of a sentence, a question, an exclamation, and a command. Now, when you're starting 2nd and 3rd grade, they're going to ask you what statement, is this a statement sentence, a question sentence, an exclamation sentence, is there a command? And as we go into 4th and 5th grade and 6th grade, then they're going to clarify what they're actually called. So a statement is called the declarative, a question sentence is an interrogative sentence, exclamation is an exclamatory sentence, a command is an imperative sentence. And I'll tell you what each one is. Let me just get my pen out for my chart. Let's draw our chart here. You can make this on your notes, separate it. This is what we call them statement, question, exclamation, command. As we get more into grammar for 4th, 5th, and 6th grades, and they start using the words declarative, interrogative, exclamatory, and imperative. Okay, so let's go ahead and do an example of each. A statement. So let's do statement. Remember, that's called the declarative sentence. Statement is a sentence that tells something. So basically, if it's a statement, you're telling somebody something or somebody is telling you something. An example of that would be the ant had many cousins. Okay, so here we have the ant had many cousins. You are telling somebody something or somebody is telling you something about the ant. So that is called a statement, also known as a declarative sentence. Excuse me. A question. Question sentence is also known as an interrogative sentence. And one thing I have to review up here too with a statement is it ends in a period. Always ends in a period. If we're dealing with a question sentence, ends in a question mark. And this is a sentence that asks something. Okay, that asks something. Are you asking somebody something? Is somebody asking you something? Can you answer with yes or no? Is usually what I tell students. So read the sentence. Use your common question words, which are where, when, why, who, does, can, do. These are some common question sentences. If your sentence starts with why did the rooster fly away? You're asking a question. Where are you going? You're asking a question. And if it ends in a question mark, it's called a question sentence, also known as an interrogative sentence. So let's give an example real quick. Who, there's my question word, who came along first? That's an example of a question or an interrogative sentence. The next one, exclamation sentence, or also known as exclamatory. It shows strong feeling. And I like the word excitement. It also shows excitement, okay? So you're going to read your sentence, and if it has an exclamation point at the end, we know it's an exclamatory sentence. If it shows excitement, for example, let's give an example. Let's give an example here. They chase buffaloes. They chase buffaloes. Someone showing excitement, or the buffaloes are chasing me. Run. Okay, so the buffaloes are chasing me, run, or are chasing me, run. Let's do the buffaloes. I'm sorry. The buffaloes are chasing us. Run. The buffaloes are chasing us. Run. We're showing excitement, a strong feeling, and if you see the exclamation point at the end, you automatically know what type of sentence is this. It's a question sentence, an exclamation sentence, also known as an exclamatory sentence. They chase buffaloes. The buffaloes are chasing us. Run. So you're showing a strong excitement or feeling. Ends with an exclamation point. Now we're going to a command, which is an imperative sentence. Now, command, I kind of look at as you're telling somebody to do something. That's what a command is. Telling somebody to do something. So it gives an order, telling someone to do something or something to do something. And I usually use, like if you're pointing at somebody, your finger, go put out the trash. Okay? That's usually giving a command. Let's do an example. A command, let's finish this stuff first. A command is usually going to end with a period. Now, difference here, statement ends with a period and a command ends with a period. How you know the difference is a statement is you're telling somebody something. Read the sentence carefully and think, am I telling somebody something? Is someone trying to tell me something? And if it is, then you're using a statement or a declarative sentence and it's going to end with a period. Now, command, you have to read the sentence and the context clues around the sentence and ask, am I giving an order? Am I telling someone to go do something? Okay? And that's how you know the difference of a command sentence and a statement sentence, because they both end in periods. Let's give our example. Write a letter to Sarah. Okay, we're giving a command. Write a letter to Sarah. We're telling someone to do something. That is a command. It ends with a period. And remember, it gives an order. Write a letter to Sarah. Another example. Wait at the airport. You are telling someone to do something. You're telling them, wait at the airport. Okay, so here we're telling someone to write. We're telling someone to wait. And if we're telling someone to do something, then we know it is our command sentence. You're commanding someone to do something. So let's refresh here. A statement, also known as a declarative sentence, tells someone something. A question, also known as an interrogative sentence, asks a question. Look at your question words. An exclamation, also known as an exclamatory sentence, shows excitement or feeling, ends with an exclamation point. A command, also known as imperative, gives an order or you're telling someone to do something. So those are the different types of sentences. I would also look up more of your question words and write them on your list here. I would put these notes in a grammar notebook and keep it, because grammar, this same grammar will be taught through 2nd grade, 3rd grade, 4th grade, 5th grade, and 6th grade. It just reviews over and over again. So if you have it in a notebook, you can always take out that grammar notebook to refresh your memory. So take your notes and keep it in a safe spot. I'll see you guys on my next video, which will be, I think, a basic nouns. I'm going to go over nouns, singular, plural, common, and proper nouns in my next video, and we'll see you guys later.